grace and peace to you when I'm Mugele Kaya, Igama Mutisha Sabs, aka Mr. Radio Man, special Gugu Mnandi Ichampile live, Sabonisa Ge, Italian, Alapena and Lape, and surrounding areas. We're talking comedy, we're talking music, we're talking even rap music as well. So Namshanje, special Gugu Eti. Imnandi iyapindwa, meaning that if it's nice you do it twice. One of the programs is the Arts Festival yalapha eNelson Mandela Bay. uGalatika is the headliner. Unabo Gonofa Indlala amachita semashumini. Like, it's a beautiful show. Mavula Kuvaliwe is going to be the MC of this particular show. Mnandi usebenzile zalabe zanibona ngaphakathi London.
And the Harlem woman said, deep down inside I'm feeling so sorry, only cause I'm not the hero of my own story. Yazabandu Kladen born about by Buffalo, but let me keep it 100. Buffalo, the Bamdala, I'm slowly becoming hater. Le hustle slowly and londo, I'm frustrator. I'm losing faith in the book of fortune tellers. That bony life and dangas, I'm unveiling the betrayers. Boni Togo Lentini, I'm Mutongena. Ipainted Lala Kuyisame Pesquastena. Booked me life, I'm a gradation Moundazi. You thought my grass is greener, I deny your wallow grassy. Nah, I'm not a guy you thought I might be. I'm a poopa man, let's a me. I blame myself every day like I'll tell you. Now, with family, I'm a send a value. Under pressure, young. Pressure, young. Under pressure. Under pressure. Kakata nifike when the feel pressure kwitalalensize. Masaba bangani your son telling compromise. I know the reason why it was gonna last. Don't forget, let's crack when it is get your case on fast. When I was the pressure fanga kuyo la papa, let alone the courses and dates ne mali stamped up. With performance of niggas show ya buya, a kuka na matolo the bless hallelujah. Ababa Tanda Amanda somehow boss me. We still be dating if I could have said I'm sorry. But check his tail, my ego took the best of me. That's a strong way, I mean in Bulala softly. No yibalo le bobu di ambe this fucker. We relationships just like the Dino Nyaga. Guess get up thing I go get the city is over. But I was drunk in Lambo when the hangover. Under pressure, yo. I don't regret the mistakes that I've made, because I believe through all these lessons that I once that are great. Now I'm spilling my emotion on these lyrics. Always kept it real, I've never mingled with the gimmicks. I'm on my cake in hand, laugh at my pain. I made a promise to myself, I'll never slacken again. Uktalanzi mamdombeleze de admita. Umlomes kofuta watolo kungolita. Imekula kaya melbantonga bazali. No yanena lomkulo pa lomkula katbatali. And then the mali lomkulo fani dalikala. That thing has to go to the invention but against all odds, men are stood tall. Because I couldn't just team root roll. If I bet the Balaba Pupunga Wafeza, and America Malam Quang and Baha, Zoni Visage tasting your tour. Titiku Kwaba, Bebe Mafuni, the Coopel away. Bebe Mafuni, the Coopel away. Bebe Mafuni, the Coopel away. Everybody, Abba. Titiku Kwaba, Bebe Mafuni, the Coopel away. Let's go, I see, let's go, I see.
Another Thursday.
Tell her, I see.
What? I come on.
You can shake your hand like this, then.
On the way from Minnesota. What?
It's 50-50.
What?
Let's go. Titi Mukwaba, Bebe Mafuni, the Coopel away. Bebe Valena, Bebe Tata, the Grey. Bebe Samota, the Captain, the Lady, Titi Mukwaba, Bebe Mafuni, the Coopel away. Bebe Valena, Bebe Tata, the Grey. Bebe Samota, the Captain, the Lady, the finally working with Pete and that's down the morning and Cali. Rebel Batali got this with this
TV shows kukwicha Tandisabile sesesithi ngomsabalazo Anaskalazo dibaba ngaso spinning ngenxaso Shout out to Extra, Quaris, ngesilaka mlomo We can do better, uma singayibamba ngohlobo Masabotaze, groupies, enkosi lethuna Ngwekwenga nomganga kutwini Uyafuna manika pickup My boo, nensebenzeka Aphiwe endo nokuhla besisonke xa sipheka manika G1 Got you, leze ndakula Nini empty kukhwaba Bebe ngafuni ndikhuphele away Napa bebe mvalela bengathatha intweni Bataba, bebe support bengabenzeleni Titi kukhwaba Bebe ngafuni ndikhuphele away Napa bebe mvalela bengathatha intweni Bataba, bebe support bengabenzeleni Yamina zakupa suni tambo yamina Kanza nembila Yaturuli kumbe namsila Chuchi zimbila Nobisi ngati haters yalina Discuss insila Kasema gamu stingu shitina Sala disbuza Nami kakwa telpume nini Manu punguza Nibali ngomu Suku nembili Yezinya diskrimi Sinya spele lwase kwa tini Lesita dikrimi Manya bati mrili sanini Hey kupi imbi ya tegwa Ngamba para dikrimi Funa destini ya rem Titetlama netlini Stizo maikini Kanyeko strita njege trafini I want to hear this side. Titi kukwaba, bebe ngafuni ndikhuphele away. Bebe mvalela, bebe ngithathe intweni. Bebe support bengikhaphelele. Say aba, titi kukwaba, bebe ngafuni ndikhuphele away. Bebe mvalela, bebe ngithathe intweni. Bebe support bengikhaphelele. Thank you so much. That is Ranga Mabeza. Come on. Can you give a mama love for that? Everybody will have put a mama tanga, right? Now my cherry just now, so busy mama. Let's go, my see. Don't worry. Exit. Tinga pali leta na tanga dia ku mama. Pali leta na tanga dia ku mama. Song it. Song it. What's up? Team up on the
Then let me DJ Sabs, aka Mr. Radio Man, I'm inside your box. Channel 260 on Makaba TV. The name of the program is called Each and Be Live. I promised you once I was an artist, the best in the on the show. Definitely Kala made an impression, and Mchanje Ulapa Festival, Mandela Bay Mass Festival. I'm here, Franjana was there, Salamin was there. No, what you make when you make sure by a list happens to him, that all right?
Good.
No, good, can't complain. That word you're from here in the Mandela Bay, but you've traveled a lot, going to East London and other spaces. Can you tell us in a few moments how is the journey of being a traveling artist?
It's great, man. I don't want to lie. Thank you for having me, man.
Sure.
Actually, moving around Eastern Cape, to me, it's a pleasure. You know what I mean? And even when I'm out of Eastern Cape, I tell people a lot about Eastern Cape. I tell them what to eat. Yeah, I tell them how to vibe, the music. Tell them I did it. You know what I mean? So I tell them a lot of people more about it. So you know what I mean?
That word I know that you're creative. Tell us about the creative part of things. The clothing line, also the graphics. You know, tell us more about without rap now. So we're not there.
Yeah, you know, I grew up in this school whereby I live with people living with disability, visually impaired, which is Chinese and Bangladeshi, right? So in that environment, each and every individual had to find himself at a younger age, right? So I found myself as a creative at that age, to a point that I know that if I can do something or twist something, I can convert it to entrepreneurship, you know what I mean? I can sell that thing. So now, what I'm doing today, I'm selling t-shirts, right? We can't get employed. It doesn't mean that I'm not gonna eat, or I'm not gonna support at home, you know what I mean? That's why you see me today being part of the culture, which is clothing, see me performing. My voice has a price, you know what I mean? The clothes has a price. The conversation that we have, time has a price, you know what I mean? So I'm trying to show everybody, people able and disabled, that whatever you touch, it must have a value and price.
Yeah. Let's talk about the music. You don't just write the man. There's always a message in the black society. How is the music taken? And I see sensational in terms of social media. Yo, what you done? I think that was good there, you know? Yeah. Tell us more about the stuff you write and also the impact it has on people who don't even know you?
I'm big, bro. I don't wanna lie. Firstly, I'm gonna say that. Like, in front of the
Yeah,
camera,
definitely,
I'm big, you know what I mean? I never knew that I'm gonna be in this situation or be big like this because firstly, I just right from the heart how I feel. Being around vulnerable hearts, being around people who don't know what they're gonna do tomorrow or today. You know what I mean? It led me to a point that I write down. You know what I mean? They say I can't release when it leaves. You know what I mean? So I believe that whatever I say is gonna change somebody's life. You know what I mean? So writing a song like Ubekha, so street kids, they couldn't live like during the COVID-19 time. You know what I mean? Pandemic. Then after writing that song, it changed the world. Everybody that I remember in the song, they're like, yeah, man, you made my brother here. My sister came back home after hearing that song. I wrote a song about mom. You know what I mean? Now people don't have mamas anymore. But now when they listen to the song, they hope that this song can mother them at this moment. Or any other mother that is around us can play a role of being a mother. You know what I mean? So what I'm trying to say is, my music is gonna help you. It's gonna help me. It's gonna help the one who's listening. So yeah, man. I'm also telling everybody who's writing, let's not write trash music. Let's not mislead our generation. You see what's happening like right now. There's a lot of things. There are diseases that are happening. Tina, we're busy writing music about dance and all of that instead of coming up with solutions to what we're facing. You know what I mean?
It's time to heal the world, basically. That must tell about you and the future performances and maybe projects, albums, singles.
Me, my brother, on the 2nd of March, I have a show, man, in Mamoni. For the first time, you know what I mean? I was like, okay, let me try and do something that has never been done before. I called Fleshi Kumkan, like, dog, please join me. I called Pauline, he said he's in as well. Fleshi Kumkan is in, Sisana is in, Snaiman is in. Like, a lot of people from the Eastern Cape who are in Johannesburg, they're going to be part of the shows. On the 2nd of March, in Mamoni, Coconut Lifestyle, it's on Sunday, so it's going to be fire, you know what I mean? I have a project that is coming. It says Ghetto Kids Life Matters. Right. When I mean Ghetto Kids, I mean kids from Fabulous. I mean kids from Zimbabwe, Mazakeli, kids from Isabelle, Tanzania. You know what I mean? Alexander. You know what I mean? Kylie Chaz. You know. So I'm talking to those kids and I give them hope. Right. This is a Bible. Whatever I'm saying, it's a Bible to all those Ghetto kids who feels like I can't make it in life because my family is not in a space whereby they can take me to Cuba to be adults or something, right? So what I'm trying to tell them now is to say we still have time, we still have hope, we still have opportunities. You know what I mean? Shout out to Nelson Mandela Bay, by the way, for giving us platforms like this, whereby they can give kids in the streets that are writing lyrics every day and tell them that you know what, we still have stages like this. Do you remember me and Kala when we were young doing this thing? But today Kala is doing this thing for the nation. You know what I mean?
I was thinking about the Streetwise movement.
You know,
Malata Manja doing big things.
Yeah.
That social media platform for school.
Before you let me go, man, check me out. I'm Raha SA, which is on TikTok, I'm on YouTube, I'm on Spotify, I'm on iTunes, everywhere, just Raha SA. You will check my music there. Umtulo Pumileyo, Umtulo Omcha, Umtulo Saza. Obviously, Upekhi is hitting 310,000 views. For the first time, I'm so happy about it. You know what I mean?
But it's consistency, my man.
Yeah.
If you are kind of everything else, you know, maybe
You know,
because of the skill is better. You know, wisdom,
yeah, I don't want to take all the credit, you know what I mean? There are people like Yakim, the master builder.
Yes.
You know, he gives me calls every day, like, you're on the right track. You know what I mean? There's D1, there's you as well. People that I see that, these guys, they're still keeping it going. They're old, in their 50s, you know what I mean? Who am I to say this thing is heavy? So thank you so much, guys, to everybody who's contributing to this thing. Even the kid, the Hilikasi, it's very inspiring, including myself, you know what I mean? Even those niggas is hacking, I say to them, they must come back.
I don't
want to leave this mic without telling that the cooking production, if plus need to come back.
Yes. uvile ugqarha uthi iyafumaneka umculo wakho uyafumaneka emabonini 2nd March ziyaduma engathi nisiye khona nathi siyabuya with more interviews.
namhlanje khona sweet car phetheli car Mandela Bay Arts Festival are you good? Sure, I'm a circle dance. Hey, they just tryna put me down. I will never give them chance. Hey, they just tryna put me down. I will never give them chance. Hey, never give them chance. Never give them chance. I will never give them chance. Hey, I will never give them chance. Never give them chance. I will never give them chance. They just tryna put me down. I will never give them chance. Hey, they just tryna put me down. I will never give them chance. Hey, I'll never give them chance. Never give them chance. I'll never give them chance. Hey, I'll never give them chance. Never give them chance. I'll never give them chance. They get one over short. Put it in the jar. I know can't get it on it. The most even the car. Now that I put the sweet car. It take it hard. It call it toilet seat. I said money now your start. But it just was say like the evil. Go back to the mama bala. It's a great manu car. Wake up and you don't see my great manu lala. It's a great manu bala. Nobody meets him because I'm super seven channel. Send it to the bullet says Obama. Bullet says this girl, bullet shot when I'm a never. Bullet can you see nobody time to send a gamer. Now I will get to the jail and then I will never put myself down. Because now or never lose my faith now. Nobody can take any of the bullet power. Come to one that never. Now what my time to say my name will be low. They can do in my hand. And then go now I am never. About another person on the ocean of the table. When I'm trying to make a living. But it's at the better. Because if you get out, get to get to the shepherd. I don't trust no. I want to back to the whatever. Sure, I want to back to the whatever. Hey, I want to back to the whatever. Sure, hey, they just wanna put me down. I will never give them chance. Hey, they just wanna put me down. I will never give them chance. Hey, never give them chance. Never give them chance. Never give them chance. Hey, I will never give them chance. Never give them chance. I will never give them chance. Yeah, never do. Wanna put me down.
I will never give them chance. Trying to put me down. I will never give them chance.
I'll never give them chance.
Never give them chance. Never give them chance.
Never give them chance. I will never give them chance. Never give them chance. Yeah, yeah, but haters wanna put me
I will never give them chance.
They just wanna put me down.
I will never give them chance.
Never give them chance. Never give them chance. Never give them chance. Never give them chance. Yeah, yeah, but who can? Never give them chance. Hey, haters tryna put me down. I will never give them chance. Hey, never give them chance. I will never give them chance. Never give them chance. Hey, never give them chance. Never give them chance. I will never give them chance. Yeah, yeah, but who can? Never give them chance. Never give them chance. I will never give them chance. Yeah, yeah, but who can? Never give them chance. Hey, haters tryna put me down. I will never give them chance. Hey, I'll never give them chance. Never give them chance. I will never give them chance. Hey, I will never give them chance. Never give them chance. I will never give them chance. Give me one who can.
bewembi khawuleze yacacela ubugqirha nithi nizalana nibe nilalana emini maqanda intakatho abesimanje manje bathi ngumhilo wabadala bathi ngumphalazo bayabuza bazintoni into endizibhalayo ngiyabaxelela bandibhala inhlungu kuba mina ndile ikhalayo ndikhalela umama ndikhalela utata ndikhalela indawo yofihla inhloko ndikhalela umhlobo ndikhalela iqabane umuntu endiqhuba naye incoko ndikhalela isonka ndikhalela amanzi namhlanje ndiyofuna itorho nqonqoza endlwini yomlungu kusavula umuntu omnyama ayisuka impoqo ndizibuza ngaba yile nkululeko urhulumente beyifuna le kuba nqinisekile khona omnye wabantwana babo sisebenzela umlungu njengomama bethu nomama babo besebenzela umlungu ndikwiziko lemfundo ephakamileyo namhlanje ndiphekwa nisophulwa ngoba ngomso nangomsomnye ndiyafuneka phi kwamlungu njengoba besengitshilo eqaleni ndathi ngiphethe inhlungu ngoba pho ndiphuma khona utywala iziyobisi intwenka iyo loo nto namhlanje ndizoqinisekisa bawuyibeleka ikrwempa uzoyiginya irharha noba ungathi ndithethe ihlahla kodwa zikhumbule bayihlahla alithethwa liyalinywa namhlanje kuyalilwa namhlanje kuyaliwa kulwabani kulilabani zijonga amehlo wakhuphile ngiyasondela nokuqhwaba ngempama ndikushiya uqinile uxhalela ingculaza uyawubulawa yiswekile ayisuka wethu kufa komuntu omtsha sikuqhelile akangokuqala ukhabi bhekile molweni phemendi khiba khona igorha lase-Afrika xa yimbi kwayimpinda iyatshekisa kodwa xa imnandi emnandi iyaphindwa ukhriba khumba kwabangandaziyo igorha lase-Afrika into engazanga nayo inyani ndisekade njengoxoki ndokosekanala nyana kamambonde erhangeni ndithi apho ugushu zakhona mntakamama uzungayeki ukuzama izinto esijongene nazo zininzi ngoko zungalibali ukuzixolela nokuzithanda masiwucenga umoya le ndlela inde ngokuzihamba sikhiqika sithanda singathandi inyembezi zihlala zichiphiza nqontsonqa zotsho namhlanje sikhwaza ukwele mimoya kuthiwa amadoda afathwele umnqwazi abantwana basakhalela ugoywa kodwa mina ndithi madoda ndicela ungayingeni madoda ndicela ungayingeni ngoba kaloku kubuhlungu ungaphangeli uvuke nabavuka ngentseni abalungiselela ukuphuma kodwa wena ungalandeli uphathaphatha into engabonakaliyo zibe nezinto zakho zingabambeki uduzibuzi ngabe imeko yiyo likwenza nasezintombini ungathandeki imisebenzi ayikho kodwa bathi ubomi yibeki nefosholo uphumele ngaphandle xa uyihlalutya lenyewe nenqina lakho ubone uba isimo sakho nesakhe esinye yintsokolo naba bantu niphikisana nabo abanibonela intweni de nigqibe kwelokuba pokotha kakade sebenibona njengezinja ngoke nidibana naye nithethi nothetha nivela ngomkhokotha izilwanyana zehlathi izinto ezithi hoshi ngenjongo zomtsokotha madoda ndicela ungayingeni bathi umlambo uzala ngamathonsi kodwa yona imvula ithanda unqama izulu alisagqerhezi mntakamama namhlanje lithanda unyama bathi inqubo yeminyanya asifulathela manyangi nalomhlaba usaseli manzi useli igazi nenyembezi bathi ukufa kusembizeni anisakwazi ukucela kwamelwane ndixolela ukulala nilambile kodwa ndiyayazi indlala indenza njongo ndibhokoza amakhaya ndiwashiye bokoboko ndiqhawula imizimba ndiqhawula imiphefumlo ndishiye kuleli gxokogxoko bathi usizi into esingenayo mntasekhaya engomzimba lona ligobhogobo yinto nje yokugalela ezingcinga zimdaka bahlelela ukunigalela zona rhoqo phoko yiyo loo nto namhlanje ndisithi manicaphule kuwe Zotsho kaloku abo bantu bacimba siyonwabisa ngezi sibongo kanti ke kuthi ungubiko wayizolo ugqirha wengqondo omakhebo omadikizela injongini kusikhupha kwesizoko camagu ngegalelo lakho Zotsho kakade umlambo uzala ngamathonsi nangona lemilambo isezandleni zabanenhlonti bazithengisela amanzi kaNonkala ngokusikhula simkhuthuza uNonkala bathi unesipaji thina sikhula simtyhuthula uNonkala camagu kuwe Zotsho njengendoda endiyaziyo embokweni njengendoda endiyaziyo eqongeni njengendoda endiyaziyo ngosiba njengendoda endiyaziyo ngengcinga umaxhalanga ndidleni ngesixhosa sasekhaya ndawumenhla